Hi guys, welcome back to Caramia's Corner. Today I'm going to be sharing a mini squash book journal, and this is something I'm sending off in happy surprise rack mail to a crafty friend of mine. So by the time I put this video out, you would have received it. And so you're probably wondering, what is a squash book? So squash book was popularized probably over 10 years ago and even 7 years ago when pen paling swaps were very much trending, and I used to use it as well. So I decided I would use it in a junk journal format and make this mini journal in that style. You also probably know it as the exploding letter or exploding mini album more recently. So I'm going to be showing you what I ended up making. It is in vintage style, and I'm hoping that she will like it. So let's go ahead and have a look and see what it looks like. Here is my mini squash book journal. It measures 4 by 4 inches. When it comes to journaling, I look at them as like time capsules where we document moments in our lives. So I'm hoping she can use this as a tool for a special occasion. It also makes a beautiful decorative item on your desk. So here we're looking at the top. It has some beautiful trim. I use a Collage Digital, added a sticker of a beautiful image there, a flower trim with a earring dangle. So I repurposed a vintage earring that you see there. For the closure, we have this little pink trim that was gifted to me by MJ Reyes from My Paper Journey. So let's open it up. So when you open it up, this is where they got the name Exploding Album because of the way it opens. It has 3 panels, and I'll be showing you the first panel. So you have a writing spot here on the left. Where it bends when you make one of these, you want to make sure that the images don't get distorted, so you put it on the side. And then I've created a writing spot there as well. As I pan up, you see more of the beautiful scrapbook paper with the vintage style, a pocket that says today, and inside that pocket I decided to include a mini journal booklet. This beautiful paper was gifted to me by Karina from Karina Crafts, and it's a mix of tea-dyed papers, some beautiful paper bags, and lined pages. So this will be a wonderful writing tool for her and spot to journal in. So I thought that turned out really cute. Now we're gonna move over here. So I've left this page blank because she's so creative, and I'd love to have her customize this and create her own collages. We have this gorgeous ledger scrapbook paper with the beautiful flowers and vintage writing. And as I pan up, you will see another collage. And I've used some coffee dyed doilies, some different cut aparts, and a sticker. And she has a writing spot on the left as well. We have another pocket here on the right. And I did some layering as well with some lace trim kind of dye. I'm going to pull out the items that I have here. She can decorate that, so I'm excited to see how she does that. So let's pull this out. There are different journaling cards that she can use, more stickers and paper cut aparts for her to use for collaging. So I think this will be fun. And then I'm going to pan down and show you the other part here where I did another collage. So this is a great way to use your stickers from your vintage subscription boxes if you have any of those. So these were from Your Creative Studio and Art Atelier, and some were gifted to me too by a friend. So it's called a squash book, so you can squash it closed like that, and that's where the name comes from. So I really enjoyed making this. This is the back side of the journal with my maker's mark. We have a Collage Digital as well on the back. I hope she enjoys it. I hope you guys enjoyed this project share. Stay tuned for more. And if you would like to see a tutorial on how to make this, make sure to comment down below. I'll try and see if I can do that.